working on a project but need to put it in your bag for travel, but you're worried that it's going to come unwound, I'm going to show you a trick here using just a simple stitch marker. Go ahead and put that in your working stitch and pull it tight, and then you can just go ahead and throw that in your bag. It's not going to come undone, and when you're ready to use it again, just simply pull up, take it off, and put your hook right back in there. So this is an awesome, easy trick that is great for when you are on the go. Okay, another trick that I want to show you guys is the foundation turning chain. So instead of chaining up to turn our work, we're just going to go ahead and turn our work. We're going to work a single crochet into the first stitch. Now you see we have these two loops. We're not going to work in the first loop, but the second loop of that single crochet. And we're going to work one more single crochet. And there you go. We have our foundation turning chain, and that just helps give us a very straight edge and no problems there, and then we won't have any gaps. So that is the foundation turning chain. Once we've started using yarn and it's all undone and we want to go ahead and travel with it, this is going to be a really great way to keep your balls of yarn wound up and to not come apart. And the trick to this one is simply a bobby pin. So I like to grab a bobby pin and put it through my yarn like that, and it just goes ahead and holds it tight and it doesn't come apart, and you can just look at that, roll it all around, and then it's very nice and secure. So bobby pins are a great way to keep your balls of yarn from coming apart during travel. One of the most important tricks I can tell you is to have a really good pair of scissors that just simply cut your yarn, because then you get this really nice perfect cut and there won't be any fraying. So this is another thing that I would highly use. Big tip, really good pair of scissors. Okay, so trick number one, I am going to show you when you're going to be working in the rounds and you're starting with a chain stitch, how to not twist your chain. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to chain up 4, just like that. And now we're going to go into our first stitch right here and just hold that. And see how I have those both on my loop. So I'm not going to work through this stitch, but then I'm just going to continue to make my chains for however many chains you need for your project. And then when you're done, you just slip stitch through, and then you're connected perfectly. No twisting of your chains or anything. So this is a very simple, easy hack on how to not have a twisted chain. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, that notification bell, hit subscribe, and I will see you guys all next time.